back to my channel. My name is Miss Tan Marie, and today we're going to review and demo the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer in the color 330. The tip to applying this tinted moisturizer is to avoid layering over a silicone-based product. Maybelline was founded in 1914 in Chicago by Thomas Lyle Williams. He renamed the company in 1917 after his sister Maybelline. And the Maybelline brand is also a subsidiary of L'Oreal Cosmetics since 1996. Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer at number 330. It's a water-based formula. It claims to be lightweight, a tinted moisturizer to provide a fresh, natural coverage. With 12 hours of hydration, it enhances the skin without hardness, blurs the pores, and conceals imperfections. On the website, it states to apply with fingers on clean, dry skin. Let your sunscreen dry before applying. No sponge. As you can see, I did decide to use the sponge. It depends on how you apply it. The sponge works better for me. So if you tried it and you use your fingers or you use the sponge, let me know what methods work best for you. Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer retails for $9.99 and it comes in 14 shades. Finish off my face. I'm just going to do a light contour. I did not use any cream to contour today. I just used my bronzer that I like to use, which is MAC Blunt, to contour. I just want to give an everyday look, but I love to contour. Welcome back. So this is my completed look of the tinted moisturizer, which is very lightweight on the skin. It feels very light, but I wanted you to know that it does oxidize. This is my second time trying to do this review. I did purchase the 355 at first, and this is the 355. I did purchase this one at first because it did look like it would be my complexion. But I had to go back to the original formula in which I wear in Maybelline Fit Me a 330. So I went and got the 330. It comes off a little light, but once it oxidizes a little, it gives you this nice lightweight complexion. And I love it. Have you tried the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer? If so, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know how did you like it. Did you like it on your first try, or you didn't like it at all because it flaked up? Because a lot of people say that it flaked up, so it's the way you apply it. So leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think of this tinted moisturizer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you.